wine enthusiasts like myself, this is for you. So today we have a premium wine dispenser from Boxxle. I'm gonna unbox it, open it up, check it out, review it, and we'll see how it goes. Now this is one of those products that I just could not wait to come in. This is something so unique. Looks cool. Got the nice brand logo right there. Okay, so we have our dispenser right here. What you have to do to open it is push that button, it pops up. Push this plate all the way down until it clicks, like that. Once you close it, the lever is gonna pop back up. Get your bag of wine, place it in here. I already have the nozzle turned at a 360. If you have to do that, make sure you do. And there's little slits right here. It's all locked and ready to go. Let me go get a glass. I'm gonna place that right there. And let's test it out. Look at that. Let's try it again. Perfect glass for you, just like that. I really like this. This is very innovative. This is something very different to me. The more you drink, the less the bag weighs, the more that it'll rise up until it's done. And this is in there. This is really locked. This is sealed. It's not going anywhere. And all you have to do is push a button and you're good. Just as good, if not better. Boxxle, this is really cool. Keep doing what y'all are doing. This is very innovative. And it's in the room right now. You can put it in the kitchen. You can put it wherever you want.